Welcome to Health Essence. Today we are talking about an important health issue that a lot of people struggle with: insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is the root cause of major health problems like diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure. But the good news is it can be managed with a few smart changes. Even you can reverse it naturally without any pills and strict diets. It's not about punishing your body, it's about listening to your body and nourishing it properly at right times. Let's first understand what insulin actually does in your body and how do you develop insulin resistance. Every time you eat, especially foods rich in carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into simple sugars, mainly glucose. To help move that glucose into your cells where it can be used as energy, your pancreas releases a hormone called insulin. Think of insulin as a key. It unlocks your cells so glucose can enter and fuel your body. But with insulin resistance, that lock becomes rusty. The key doesn't work as well anymore. Your cells stop responding properly. They don't open up to the insulin and you become insulin resistant. This leads to higher insulin levels, constant hunger, fatigue, and eventually type 2 diabetes. Let's go step by step to reverse it naturally. First, understand your food. There are three main types of food: carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Each affects your insulin differently. Carbs have the most significant impact on insulin levels. Simple carbs like sugar and crackers cause a quick and sharp spike in insulin, while complex carbs like whole grains and vegetables lead to a slower, more steady rise. Protein has a moderate effect on insulin. While it doesn't directly raise blood sugar, it stimulates insulin production to help process amino acids. However, the insulin response to protein is usually lower than that of carbs. Eating large amounts of protein can still lead to an insulin increase, especially if paired with carbs. Fats have the least effect on insulin. They don't directly raise blood sugar levels, so they typically don't stimulate much insulin release. However, high fat meals can still cause insulin resistance over time if consumed excessively, especially if paired with high carb foods. But here is the trick to manage your insulin levels. Then stop eating grinded versions of food like flour, whey powders, sugars, and protein powders. These might seem healthy, but they spike insulin faster and keep your insulin levels higher for hours. Instead, chew your food. It sounds funny, right? But seriously, chewing your food matters. Your body reacts differently when food is whole versus powdered or processed. Because chewing activates digestive enzymes, slows down glucose release, and signals fullness. Say no to processed and junk foods. Processed foods are often loaded with sugars, seed oils, and chemicals. They destroy your overall health and disturb your insulin levels. The next and very important step to reverse your insulin resistance is to eat your meals when the sun is up. Think of the sun as your eating buddy. When it's up, your metabolism is sharp. Eating in sync with your circadian rhythm is a natural insulin regulator. Don't eat in the dark. Melatonin, your sleep hormone, kicks in when it's dark and makes insulin less effective. Eating late can spike your blood sugar even more, so let your kitchen close when the sun goes down. Try intermittent fasting. Give your body a break. Fasting allows insulin levels to drop, which unlocks fat burning and improves insulin sensitivity. Try to reduce inflammation in your body, as chronic inflammation is a hidden driver of insulin resistance. Fill your plate with anti inflammatory foods like leafy greens, turmeric, omega 3s, and berries. Lose a few extra pounds. You don't need to become a fitness model. Just losing 5 to 10% of your body weight can dramatically improve insulin sensitivity. Focus on sustainable lifestyle changes. Your body will thank you.